What's up guys, my name is Ruben, and this will be the quietest let's play I think ever done, because right next to me, that side, people are asleep, or well, trying to sleep, so I gotta be very fucking silent, and so I'm sorry about the plosives like all of the fucking time. But yeah, I gotta be very silent actually, so yeah, I'm sorry about that actually. But yeah, let's go play some Minecraft, I guess. Right, so I'm gonna make some sort of house, I guess, cause I'm bored as fuck and I wanna create a house, so why not do that, you know? Sorry about my messy hair as well, because my hair is like very messy right now. But yeah, let's play some fucking Minecraft. Okay, so first of all, this is actually maybe a little bit of tutorial as well. Yeah, you know what? No, this is gonna be a tutorial about how to play the world's quietest tutorial about how to make a quick and easy Minecraft house. And well, not really quick one. It's like pretty expensive, but it's gonna be an awesome one. I'm gonna tell you that. Also, I haven't played Minecraft for like 6,000 years, so these houses are like all very new to me. Like the church changed a lot as well, but like these houses, they're quite cool. Okay, so aside that, we need some. Let me see. We need some oak planks. Make spruce, sorry, I mean spruce. We need spruce planks, okay. We need some bricks stairs, I mean. We need logs, we need spruce, logs. We need, let me see where these slabs are. We need some slabs too, so let me just quickly see where those are. I think there it should be right here. Slabs, yeah. I'm just gonna search them. Stone slab. Right, we need some. There we go, stone brick slabs. Alright, so we'll begin with this. Let me just find a quick flat spot, because this won't be a very big house right there. We could put it right there. It's like a shared sort of, it's pretty good actually. So we start with this 3i, okay, 3i. Then do this, so it's like 3i, then it go up like this 3 times. Alright. Now go back down. Oh, whoops, sorry. Now we go back down again. I'm sorry, excuse my bad building skills, I'm really bad. Alright, so now we do this, and then we go down like this again. So we have like an arch, kind of. Now they're the same, but leave 4 space in between. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Put another one here, and then another one here. Right, so like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. There you go. And keep repeating that 4 times. So we have 4 of these columns. Things. Right, there you go. Perfect. Now I do this. Alright, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, oops, 1, 2. Oh fuck, 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. And the last time right now. Alright, so yep. And so the last one. Perfect. So now you've had like, hey, this is like some sort of camping space. This doesn't look good at all. We're about to make it all look better. So we will build this, See, this already starts taking a bit more shape, you know. Alright, so this one. There you go. And then we need to build our doorway. So, yeah, glass art is hard. So I recommend not doing glass. Yeah, that's better. Alright, so now comes the interesting part. I'll actually do this just a base, because I won't make this video very, very long. Because it's already 6 minutes, I don't have much time. So I'll just do the basics. Y'all can do the rest, you know. There you go. So this and this and this. This was the more annoying part. Oh, oops. There you go. One up. Oops. Oops. There you go. Now do the other side as well. The other side is easier to do the last. Whoops. There you go. So, there we go. Sorry about my lack of commentary. I'm actually quite concentrated because, yeah, especially these parts is quite annoying. And yeah, I gotta be really silent, so I really hope this video turns out good and useful, because, yeah, I gotta be very silent, so I really hope I'm even understandable. I doubt it, but I really hope. So there you go. And sorry about the background noise as well, because I've got cranked up my mic to 6 bajillion. I'm talking really, really silent, so yeah. There you go. Now do the same for the other side. Alright, so now we'll extend this by a 1 to this one like this. Then do the same to the other side as well. Do this like this. Alright, this one is like that. Like this and this and this and this. Alright. Now do as I do. Sorry, Corona. Just kidding. But do this whoops, like this. See, it's already taking a bit more shape. Now for the upper part, do this. And this. It looks like that. Alright. I'm sorry. I'm actually doing this a bit wrong, actually. We need to build this thing in wood. This part needs to be in wood. I'm sorry about that. That's my fault. Oopsie. That's totally my fault. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so this is all gonna be wood. Alright, so let's do that now then. Alright, so do the same to the other side, I meant. There you go. Oops. There you go. And then do this. Like this. And then this. Like this. There you go. So now he grabs some. Where did I find my stairs? There. Grab some spruce plant stairs and do this like so. Do the same thing. I'll split this up because this takes ages, right? So yeah, let's speed it up. because then the roof should be finished. Yeah, see how good that actually looks? I love that look, I really absolutely love it. It really looks good. You could even customize it with like things going like this. I know how you would do that, but yeah, you could even customize. You could make it wider, you could make it longer. It's just like a base for the glass to make it a little bit. Let's make it day actually. Slash type set day. Right, so there you go. Let's make some. Grab some glass. There you go. There. Like, I'll show you how to make an attic as well, because it's actually pretty easy to do. So now, you might be wondering why do I put a bed? So like this can be all sort of storage and stuff, but it's actually a pretty fun idea I came up with. Extend this to right here. Yeah, remove this one, sorry. Extend this all the way to here. Now you could make this with glass. I like to make this with normal wood and glass too, but you can make it with fences and all sorts of stuff. I actually like to make it with glass and like extra wood. So now you grab this. Something's coming up actually. Yeah. I grab a lot ladder. This up to here. Actually no, put this there. Then grab a spruce trapped on. Yeah, that's a spruce deep. See, that's trapped right now. See. So yeah, you can put beds here, like put it like this, like this, like say one here, one there, just in between, or like one there, just between. You could place chests up here because these are slabs. You could place them up here, there, or like on the sides because this is all like stairs and stuff. Yeah, and put a floor in, of course, because you don't want to live in a grass house. So yeah, that's basically the base of this house. And if you want to make it even better, I suggest grabbing some like leaves or like flowery stuff. We should grab some leaves. I just can't really find them now because I'm fucking blind. So actually I'm gonna search the marketplace and fucking else. So leaves. There you go. Grab some oak leaves. Probably oak, yeah. Put them like this. Grab a fence. Sure, but I prefer dark oak because the contrast, you know. But you can like decide for yourself. There you go. See how actually nice that looks. It looks like a little thing. Yeah, I don't know what actually, but in my opinion it really looks good. Yeah, just some like little pushery on the side, like cover it up with trapdoors and stuff. Actually, let's do that really quickly. Actually, do that really quickly. Hold up. I'll do only one side to just show you how it looks. Sorry about the noise in the background, guys. So I grab some of these. Some spruce trimmers. Oops. See how good it actually looks. I love that look though. I really love that look. See how nice that shit looks. I love that look though. And like, let's say base some torches. Cause you have to do this, wait. I say grab some glowstone. It's hard to get, I know. And you should probably get like torches, cause torches work too. But yeah. Just to show, you can also put light behind them. And it should light up. Oops, I'm sorry. Oops. Let's make guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. It's been awesome to make this video for you guys. And yeah, take it easy guys. I love you guys. And stay safe. Chill out guys. See ya.